Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of qualified piracy. What is qualified piracy? Qualified piracy is the commission of the act or crime of piracy under the following qualifying circumstances. 1. Whenever they have seized a vessel by boarding or firing upon the same. 2. Whenever the pirates have abandoned their victims without means of saving themselves. 3. Whenever the crime is accompanied by murder, homicide, physical injuries, or rape. Anong piracy ba ang tinutukoy natin? Is it piracy under the Revised Penal Code or piracy under Presidential Decree No. 532? The qualifying circumstances mentioned above applies to both kind of piracy, with some modifications which we will discuss later on. By the way, the crime of piracy was already discussed in our previous video, so check the link on the description box. Now let us discuss each of the circumstances. First, whenever they have seized a vessel by boarding or firing upon the same. Ito yung pagsakop sa barko sa pamamagitan ng pagsakay o pagpapaputok sa barko. Pwede pa rin makumit ang piracy kahit hindi mo pasukin yung vessel. Halimbawa, you will threaten the crew na pag hindi nila dinala yung laman ng vessel sa sarili nilang barko, ipapasabugin nila ang barkong sinasakyan nila. Take note that under Presidential Decree No. 532, the offenders can be an insider, crew, or passengers. If the offenders are insider, then the crime committed is simple piracy under Presidential Decree No. 532 and not qualified piracy. Second circumstance, whenever the pirates have abandoned their victims without means of saving themselves. Example nito ay pagkuha din sa mga bagay na nagpapagana sa barko at pagkuha din ng mga communication devices. By that, hindi na sila makakaalis kung saan man sila at hindi rin sila makakatawag ng tulong. Third circumstance, whenever the crime is accompanied by murder, homicide, physical injuries, or rape. When any of these crimes accompany piracy, there is no complex crime. Instead, there is only one crime committed, and that is qualified piracy. Murder, rape, homicide, physical injuries are mere circumstances qualifying piracy and cannot be punished as separate crimes, nor can they be complex with piracy. Remember that the accompanying crimes are very specific. It is only limited to murder, homicide, physical injuries, or rape, and no other crimes. This is true with respect to piracy under the Revised Penal Code. Take note, however, that piracy under Presidential Decree No. 532 does not limit the accompanying crimes to murder, homicide, physical injuries, or rape. It also includes any other crimes that was committed as a result or on the occasion of piracy. What if madami ang napatay nila? Ano ang crime na nakomit? The Supreme Court in the case of People v. 𝐂𝐲𝐸 states that the number of persons killed on the occasion of piracy is not material. Presidential Decree No. 532 considers qualified piracy, that is rape, murder, or homicide, is committed as a result or on the occasion of piracy as a special complex crime, punishable by death regardless of the number of victims. So kahit ilan po ang victims, isa lang po yung crime na nakomit. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.